to take a couple minutes to go over the word problems in case you're struggling on the homework. So the first one says that this polynomial represents your savings with interest from a summer job after 3 years. So it's the amount of money that would be in your account after 3 years. The annual interest rate equals x minus 1. Find the interest rate needed so that you will have $4,000 at the end of 3 years. So you want this to be 4,000. So that's your equation. 1,600 x cubed plus 1,200 x squared plus 800 x equals 4,000. So if you're using method 1, you're going to let this be your y1. This being your y2. This is already an indicator that we're going to have to change our y max because it's at 40 or 4,000. So let's go type all this in. Try Zoom 6. Not looking so good. All right, let's try changing our y max. Let me try to type this in right too. Yes. All right, so Zoom, window, y max. Change it to like 5,000. Works pretty nicely. Okay, so again, I changed my y max to 5,000, and I got a pretty nice graph. So again, we're looking for our point of intersection. So second trace, intersect, first curve, second curve, guess. And we should get x equals 1.048. Now it asked us to find the interest rate, and it tells you that the interest rate is x minus 1. So you need to plug this in and subtract 1 from it. Now 0.048 is a decimal. To change that back into a percent, which an interest rate is 8%, you need to move your decimal 2 spaces over or multiply by 100, so our answer should be 4.8%. Okay, now for number 11, we have kind of similar to what we did in class. I would think you could do this one on your own, but if you need it, keep watching. The volume is represented by this function. They tell us x plus 1, and x minus 1 represent the width, length, and height respectively, which mean in order. The container has a volume of 70 cubic feet. All right, so plug that in for volume. So our equation should be 70 equals x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x. Or you could have 70 equals x times x plus 1, x minus 4. You could use the factored form or the polynomial, it doesn't matter. We'll put this in our y1, put this in our y2, or backward, doesn't matter again. And Zoom 6 to start. So again, it looks like I only have one equation, but that's because this y equals 70 is a horizontal line at 70. Right now it's only going up to 10, so let's change our y max. I'm thinking maybe just change it to 100 to make it bigger than 70. So window, y max, 100. And pressing our graph button. Perfect picture. And find our intersection point. So second trace, intersect, first curve, second curve, and yes. 5.78. Doesn't tell me what to round to, but I know that when I looked at the answers, the book did hundredths place, so let's just do that. So what did I say? 5.78. So if we go back, it says width, length, and height respectively. So this is width, length, and height respectively. So the length will be +1, so that will be 6.78 feet. The width is just x, that's 5.78 feet. And the height, -4, would be 1.78 feet. Hopefully that helps if you were struggling on the word problems.